What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've got some seriously spicy tech news today that could change everything for future Google phones. The rumor mill for the Pixel 11 series is already spinning, and a huge leak just dropped, pointing to a massive change under the hood. It looks like Google might finally be breaking up with Samsung's 5G modems. For years, Google's Tensor chips have been paired with Samsung modems, and let's be honest, the results have been a bit mixed. We've seen issues with connectivity, heat, and battery drain on some Pixel models, but that could all be about to change. The big news is that Google is reportedly testing MediaTek's brand new MN90 5G modem to go alongside the next generation Tensor G6 chip in the Pixel 11 lineup. So why is this such a big deal? Well, MediaTek's MM90 isn't just any modem. This thing is an absolute beast. It supports dual 5G active connections, which means you could have two 5G SIMs running simultaneously with incredible stability. It also boasts potential download speeds of up to a staggering 12 gigabits per second. But the real game changer might be its AI-powered efficiency. MediaTek claims this new modem is designed to be smarter, run cooler, and use less power. For Pixel users, that translates to a phone that's faster, more reliable, and has a battery that could actually last all day, and then some. This isn't the first time we've heard whispers of a modem switch. There were rumors that the Pixel 10 might make the jump, but it seems those plans didn't pan out. Now, with the Pixel 11, the evidence is getting stronger. If Google pulls this off, it would be a major statement of intent. They'd be stepping away from a key Samsung component and embracing a partnership that could solve some of the Pixel SE's most persistent problems. The move would put them in an interesting position in the wider smartphone market. Apple is deep into developing its own in-house modems, and even Samsung is reportedly sticking with Qualcomm's Snapdragon modems for its upcoming Galaxy S25 series in many regions. The whole 5G modem landscape is shifting, and it's getting competitive. We're expecting the Pixel 11 lineup to include the usual suspects: a standard model, a Pro, and this rumored Pro XL. There's even talk of a new Pro Fold joining the family. Of course, this is all still in the realm of rumor and speculation, but it's exciting stuff. If Google does team up with MediaTek for the Pixel 11's modem, 2026 could mark a bold new era for Pixel performance, one where the hardware finally lives up to the software's brilliance. So, what do you think? Is a switch to a MediaTek modem the key to unlocking the Pixel's true potential? Would it make you more likely to pick up a Pixel 11? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear what you all think about this potential shift. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. I'll catch you in the next one.